Hi, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this Thursday afternoon around 4 o'clock. Overall, a pretty nice day. Sunshine giving way to clouds. Clouds have moved in the last couple of hours, but dry. High temps today topping out in the middle to upper 40s, so much milder than what we had earlier in the week. Made it a 47 in Providence. Cloudy skies right now, but no precipitation, so heading out this evening, not expecting any rain, at least not yet, but we do have it in the forecast. Here's the breakdown. Of course, the cold air retreats. Now, granted, the early mornings are still chilly, but the afternoons are not nearly as frigid. In fact, high temperatures in the 40s for the next 5 to 7 days. Now, we're at the midpoint of winter. This is typically the coldest part of the entire winter season, just based on climatology. And, the average high is about 37, but we're forecasting 40s next several days. And the system that's arriving this weekend on Saturday is rain and not snow. Of course, we had the snow last Saturday night or last weekend. This time around, it's rain arriving late, mid to late afternoon, Saturday evening, Saturday night. The heaviest, the window of opportunity for some downpours between roughly 7 and 10, 11 o'clock on Saturday night. Sunday still looks like a drier day, though I don't think it's a completely sunny and dry day. I think it's a mostly cloudy skies, a little bit of sun. Now, there may be an isolated random shower on Sunday, but I just think a better part of it is actually dry and rain-free. All right, let's take a look at the satellite photo. And there we go. You see the canopy of clouds have come in the last couple of hours, so the sunshine is gone, but no precipitation with the cloud cover, at least not yet. In fact, we should stay dry right through Friday night, even Saturday morning. But the system that we're watching, and you can see all this moisture across the middle of the country, area of low pressure spinning right in here. All this green is rain, the blue to the north, and the colder air is snow. And this moisture will arrive on Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening. So let's take it into the future over the next couple of days. And you can see the system spinning towards us. Now, here we are Friday at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And notice the rain is still well to our west. So we are dry with some clouds and hazy sun as we advance the map to about 2 o'clock in the afternoon on Saturday. You see this ribbon of rain. In fact, we call this, sometimes we call this a tropical connection because some of this moisture is coming up from the subtropics. So it's got some downpours, maybe even some thunder. So you see the rain activity and the showers arriving mid-afternoon on Saturday with some of the heaviest rain Saturday evening and Saturday night. It's a quick mover. In fact, here's another look at it. We'll start off Saturday 2 o'clock. You see that rain, that darker green, some flecks of yellow indicating some downpours Saturday night. This is 10 o'clock. And then notice the thrust of this is pushed offshore by Sunday morning. So what's left behind on Sunday is kind of a void of any widespread rain. There'll be some clouds, a little sun. It could be just a random isolated shower every now and then, but mainly dry as the bulk of the real widespread rain pushes up towards Maine and Nova Scotia. So Sunday overall doesn't look too bad. Snow, yeah, that's confined to northern New England. If you're a snow lover, ski country should do pretty well. We'll get quite a bit of rain. As mentioned earlier, some of the downpours here Saturday evening, Saturday night. Some of our guidance suggesting, maybe an inch and a half of rain. Even the rumble of thunder wouldn't surprise me. So you have plans to be out Saturday evening, even Saturday afternoon, but Saturday night, umbrellas a must, and some of the heavier rain. Just drive with a little caution, kind of slow your travel speeds. In the short term, though, we're doing okay. So let's start with this evening at 7 o'clock. You see some patches of clouds, cool and dry. I mean, it's seasonably chilly, nothing really unusual here. Friday morning, 7 a.m., dry, starts off in the upper 20s to low 30s. It's kind of a cloud-sun mixture. This is 2 o'clock in the afternoon, around 42 to 45. Your Friday evening at 8 o'clock looks fine. Temps are in the 30s. And then later, Friday night, 11 o'clock, temperature's still holding a little lower 30s. So Friday night, not quite as cold. So for this evening, we're looking at mostly cloudy skies, seasonably cool, 11 o'clock kind of chilly, temp down to 30. Some sunshine or a mix of clouds and sun on Friday morning, sunrise at 7:05, 6 a.m. 29, by 10 o'clock in the morning 38. And we're looking at somewhere between roughly 40 and 46 degrees by Friday afternoon with a blend of hazy sunshine and clouds. It'll stay dry right through 6 o'clock in the evening on a light northeasterly breeze. So the cold air retreats. We don't really have anything bitter. We don't see any signs of Arctic cold or even snowstorms over the next several days. This next system on Saturday would be in the form of some rain and then drying out on Sunday. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Check back with me tonight on Eyewitness News starting at 5 o'clock and then again at 10 and 11 o'clock this evening for some updates. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.